Volkswagen Polo 2015 model. Only one former owner. Excellent service history with 8 service stamps, 6 which are main dealer Volkswagen. Also, the timing belt has just been changed by Volkswagen also in 2020. Comes with 2 keys. Excellent condition. Comes with 15 months warranty, 12 months AA breakdown cover, lifetime free MOTs and services. We also offer nationwide delivery from £99, which comes with the 14-day cooling off period.